So we are Pioneer Denim. We are part of Bacha group of industries from Bangladesh. So we are the biggest spinner in Bangladesh. We consume around 12% cotton of total economy, okay, alone. And we started our denim innovations from 2018. So we started with 3.5 million years of fabric. And now we are sitting with 6.5 million years of fabric. And also from this year, we invented with garment manufacturing. So we do the denim garments as well with the laundry. And at this moment, we cover 147 brand sectors of the globe. So in Europe, USA, Asia, as well as in South Africa and Australia. Okay, and out of 147, like 42 is a strategic brand. They are very much closely work with us. And what we find out actually, we are in gap with the customer segmentation from Middle East and specifically in India. So with that the reason we came in this show, try to understand this how this market actually work. We want to see the Middle East as well as in the Asia. So we target those area, and I thought like this is the best exhibition, where we can show our product, and we want to see our all the valued customer. And let's see how we can move on.
So how's your event going so far? And how do you find the networking and the collaboration till now? How has it been?
It's mix. It's mix in a sense like obviously there is a the customer that we are seeing, it is not like a European brands or retailer. It is a little bit different. So it's a new experience for us, and we are trying to cope up with that. And as a brand, as a manufacturers, we have some expertise from Europe. Like my colleague is here. He's from Italy. We have designer from Spain, from USA. So we are from Bangladesh, but we expose ourselves as a global manufacturers.
So what is your USP?
USP, if you tell in a different way, like as we are vertical, when you talk about any denim product, we start with the fabric. So fabric MOQ is 8,000 years. And when you convert in the product, if it is go for adult wear, obviously it's 5,000. And if it's go for kids wear, it depends, 6,000 or 6,500 pieces. But you can play with multiple wash, different products, like you say, take same fabric, but you made a jeans, jacket. It's up to you, but how it's work.
So how did you start with your brand basically? Like what gave you that idea that, okay, I want to start my own brand, and like how did the name came up?
It is a company name. Still, we are not selling our product, means a finished product in our name. Okay, so as I told you, like we are part of Bacha group of industries, and our company start with 1 pound of yarn, 47 years back. Okay, so then from the yarn, then initially we do trade, then we started our own spinning. Then after spinning, we made our own fabric. After making fabric, now we are doing our own products. So we are collaborating with all the biggest brands in the world. So how it's work actually?
Nice.
Amazing.
Perfect.
So as we are from IndianApparel.com, so we would love to know like how would you tell us like as a media partner or anything, how we can help you expand your network. What do you expect from the media people especially, or something that is in your mind that if I can get this particular information, this would really help me with my business?
Basically, this is your message to our Indian audience, or Dubai audience, or Middle East audience.
Yeah. So as I mentioned to you, like we are linked up with all the global brands, fast fashion brands like H&M, Inditex. We are the biggest partner for them. So all the innovations, all the new trends are with us. Okay, and what we can do, we can connect with the local brands like from India and others, and share whatever do we have, and we can build up a good range to cater something a very, very latest thing. And in terms of innovations and sustainability, we invest a lot. We invest a lot in terms of any kind of latest technology that is available in our textile and in our manufacturing. So you can see and you can tell something is very best in the Asia that in your factory we have, and we use this technology to make this beautiful product. So if you want to see something very high-end product, you can collaborate with us, and you will get a beautiful jeans from our end, and you will be proud of working with us.
Of course, you mentioned about sustainability technology, right? So you are very much using the latest state-of-the-art technologies, cutting-edge technology. So if somebody, like you have started from yarn to, you have come back a long way and you have now been making your own products. So if somebody wants to start or, learn from you, what is the message that you would like to give to him?
So we have sustainability approach in many way because as I mentioned, we make our own yarn. So we have the recycling plant at our end. So we consume all the pre-consumer waste from the textile and others, and we shed this, and again we use that yarn fiber in our yarn making process. So we make our own recycle yarn. So it is number one. Number two, you can use BCI, organic, regenerative cotton, anything that is available with us. And when it is making in the fabric production, so we have some machineries, very latest machineries where you need less chemical, less water. Also, we have caustic recovery plant. We have to use caustic in denim making process.
Yeah.
So that facility also we have. So, and the plant run around 20% energy we got from the solar. So that also we have. Then if we go for the garmenting, so we used a latest VMAC machine, automated machine, where it takes less time to make a jeans. Obviously, electricity will be less, So, and when it's come for wash, we have the most latest machine from Tonello, from Italy. We have Genealogia machine, and we have laser, robotic, vertical mannequin, as well as flat. So what I mentioned, whatever the technology available in the world at this moment, the latest one, to make your sustainable product, that is available in our facility.
Right. So if you have to, get something like that, and I believe you have a lot of latest technology. So what is the turnaround time, and what is the minimum order, that somebody has to place with you?
That I already mentioned to you. Like if it's a adult wear, adult product, 5,000 pieces,
5,000 pieces,
and you can do several wash and
what's
styling.
the turnaround time for that? Like how much time does it take for you?
So if the fabric is available, we'll take only 2 weeks to 3 weeks time to make your product after giving all the approvals. And if I have to make a new fabric for you, it will take 60 days to 65 days after all approval given to me.
All right. And then the shipping and all that.
Yeah,
is
that
another,
you have to add. If you take to India or you to Dubai, you have to add the freight time.
Right. All right. Wonderful, Mr. Zahirul. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure talking
Thanks.
to you.